Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell with the comment to motivate us to add more explanations. Thank you all. So, you finally downloaded and installed Fedora Linux, but now you might be wondering, how do you keep your system updated? Fortunately, Fedora gives you two methods for system updates. Let's take a look. Hello, if you are new to Linux, you may want to know some basic terminal commands so that you can update through the terminal as well. How to update Fedora using terminal. If you use the terminal frequently, Fedora also allows you to update applications using a command line interface, CLI, similar to updating Arch Linux. In the activity search bar, start typing terminal. Click on the terminal icon to open it. Type the following command found in the video description or copy and paste into terminal and hit enter. You will be asked to enter your password. Type it and hit enter. The DNF upgrade command downloads and installs all upgradable application packages. If updates are available, type Y and hit enter to start the download. If you haven't updated your Fedora installation for a long time, it will take a long time to install, so go ahead and drink your coffee now. Once you have finished updating the packages, you will see this completed message. Type exit and press enter to close the terminal window. Don't forget that if a kernel update is causing you problems, it's not hard to roll back the kernel to a previous version. update Fedora Linux on your desktop. Similar to updating your Ubuntu device, the easiest way to update your computer in Fedora is with the software application. Open the Activities menu by pressing the super key or clicking the Activities button in the upper right corner of the main screen. In the Activities search bar, start typing Programs. Click the Program Application icon. In the Software application, click on Updates. You can review updates here. If a new version of Fedora is available, it will also appear here. Click on any of the updates listed for details and version numbers, then click the download button when you're ready. Tip: if you don't see any updates, hit the refresh button in the top right corner to make sure you're really up to date. It may take time to download and install updates depending on the bandwidth of your internet connection, so sit back and relax until it's done. Once done, the Software Center will display a Restart and Update button. Click on it.